Welcome to the new Swan Group. We are proud that we have got a chance to share with you who we are and what we do. New Swan, a family of technocrats who are into automotive industry for the last 4 decades, having strong business relations with companies from Europe, Middle East, Asia and some African countries. New Swan manufactures fine blankings, sheet metal parts, heavy commercial vehicle parts. New Swan is one of the leading quality-conscious manufacturers of automotive components. We boast of a long, eventful history of success since our inception in 1985. New Swan has various technical assistance agreements with Japanese and European companies. New Swan has today reached the Group Town sales. Outgrowth confirms our faith that we are on the right track. New Swan offers its innovative automotive system solutions through our world-class plants across the globe. Our company has factories all over India. New Swan Enterprises 1, New Swan Autocomp, New Swan Components Manesar, New Swan Enterprises 2, New Swan Multitech Agro Ludhiana, New Swan Enterprises 4, Tapukara, New Swan Multitech Gujarat, New Swan Enterprises 6, Ludhiana, New Swan Technologies Limited, Ludhiana, New Swan Enterprises Bangalore, NSE Technic Spolka, Poland. We are equipped with world-class infrastructure. Fine blanking 630 ton. New Swan is certified fine blanker as one of its core competence for manufacturing of precision automotive and other application parts. Duplex grinding. We can do grinding up to 150 mm with accuracy of 50 micron in flatness and parallelism. Cold forging. Heat treatment SQF equipped with SCADA system, fully automatic CNC controlled. Gases are controlled automatically. Foolproof process. Homogeneous environment inside chamber. Robotic welding line. New Swan manufactures complete frames with cutting-edge manufacturing technology to meet evolving customer requirements. Mazak tooling machine. HMC and CNC machining line. We are well equipped with latest CNC, VMC, HMC for production of precision products. Tool manufacturing via EDM-BMC wire cut. Automatic plating plant. New Swan is equipped with automatic trivalent zinc plant. Phosphating line. Automatic powder coating. Fully automatic powder coating plant with Swiss technology. Inspection and quality assurance. Every product which bears our identity has to go through a string of rigorous tests. The quality of parts and final products is ensured by our latest measuring instruments called size CMM. Contour tracer. Ferro arm. Components of four-wheelers. Heavy commercial vehicle parts. Components of two-wheelers. Our research and development team develops innovative solutions to constantly upgrade our product. They have created their own global IP. We have provided full satisfaction to our workers and have developed their overall personalities by giving them access to friendly and healthy environment. New Swan has built a bridge of trust with its clients. Our company has received remarkable recognition and has received various awards from customers and associations for different achievements. In recent years, New Swan Group has emerged as a domestic and international leader in parts supplies. We at New Swan Group are committed to build a world-class manufacturing company supplying to all major OEMs globally while ensuring the growth, sustainability of all stakeholders. society, and environment. Thanks. New Swan Group.